Hi, this is my narrated video for task 1 on the multiple regression handout. The dataset that I'm going to use is social anxiety regression. First, we're going to click Analyze, Regression, Linear. The dependent is going to be social anxiety, and the independent is going to be shame, and that will be for block 1. Block 2 will be OCD interpretation of, I believe, intrusive thoughts, and then OCD obsessive beliefs. For statistics, we're going to click estimates, confidence intervals, model fit, R-squared change, descriptives, part and partial correlations, and collinearity diagnostics. For plots, we're going to put dependent on the Y, and then adjusted prediction on the X, and click histogram and normality probability plot. And then we're going to click OK. Here are my results for that. And then to answer the questions that were on task 1 handout, how much variance does the final model explain? The R-squared adjusted for model 2 was 0.143. Which variables significantly predict social anxiety, shame, and obsessive beliefs? And then here is my APA format table that I had filled out using the coefficients and the model summary tables on my result, or from my output. My regression equation for the final model is negative 51.493 equals, in parentheses, 0.273 times shame, plus, in parentheses, 0.213 times OCD. Are the residuals as you would expect? Yes. And then is there evidence of normality of errors? Yes.